everyone, this is Karen from IGOLDEN CNC. Today we would like to introduce one small CNC machine for you. It is good at engraving on brass, aluminum, plastic, acrylic, MDF, wood, and other similar materials. With fast speed, high accuracy, and can meet the demands of all the needs of engraving. Well, let's show the machine. The spindle is 2.2 kilowatts. The table size is 600 by 900 millimeter, and with a side rotary device, it is not only for the table sheets engraving, also suitable for the road materials. We use Match 3 control system. In the computer screen, you will see how the program working. It is a good choice if you are new for the business start. Welcome to contact us if you need more information of our machine. Thank you.